Kiombe gyokorenga chikampani au chikona na chi insurance imense ya Kenya ke Insurance Regulatory Authority nigo gyakorere usikia koda matuka anaime yo muchubo songo eriko somye bwatene au ime county ya KISII goro Obuya Bw'Ogotwara chi insurance ukwana chikoria rero ENSEMO yo kwena na mwegerio asabari miba KISII gose ATC bakoragwa na Evans Kibagendi oyo mobabo bisabwe kiombe kyo kya ira nigo airere goro ya magendero gose goro ya mwegeria yo ara chigunchurulia enchira abantu bakwebwatania na insurance asansemo yayo mokonyi bw'omuteneri bw'obwereranie ase kiombe kyo Joan Wanjala nigo boigo airere Obuya Bw'Ogotwara insurance ya bwaso mokonyi bw'omukamishona KISII Central Joseph Mwangi boigo ayenekire buna bono nigabane inchi borongo rwa KISII mbachie kubwatererirwa gose mbachie kubwatereria amageria yo Bw'Ogotwara chi insurance ya sorongo rwa KISII.
Okay, with the insurance
ega ngene nerinya twa nyare konyorana nebi n'abantu kuruchi sector mbalimbali ba KISII kubaeresa nga omuhimu bwe insurance n'orori egere ebiasara byaito abana baito batagete education policy na ya maisha ne policy mbalimbali tunyare ko tebya abantu baito bateke advantage egere banyare kugura chi insurance ekiagera boniga muligereria abaKISII ntole maega Kisumu nere ranga ebwate abantu bagure chi insurance nyingi Nairobi nere bwate abantu bagure chi insurance around 76%. Inki turakore buna abaKISII na intu tweranie enengo magana kitwatengetia toje KISII atokwane n'abantu baito na ende twarigereri leaders korukore sector unono no tubwata abantu banatigana tubwata abantu ba boda boda abantu ntwanya ba matatu korumoisonde ntwabwata abantu ntubwata BWD women youth ntubwata abantu abali mbonzi buna twateba egere tubate ba kurua bagende gotebya abantu babese mekutano ntubwate DCC ntubwate ACC na chief ekere babwate chibarasa chiabo batebya bana inchinga mbia banyore insurance kiagere insurance igero paka none yengombe insurance paka ye pikipiki insurance paka ye chibando nyogo usimega chibando naboko oko insure nganye nchi komera so insurance ge bwati product chinyinge igoto tebe abaminto abaKISII uri batanyora libaga goikaga na genda se obisi oso mtandao bwa IRA muligererie insurance omuhimu wa insurance na onye mode kumanya kende gyons na omokonyara report yagere tonyare gufaidika buna abaKISII about insurance
from different both mostly public sector here, including the office of the county commission. So the purpose of this bima machinery is just to ensure that we bring insurance knowledge to the people, because we believe that knowledge is power. As Insurance Regulatory Authority, this is one of the platforms that we use to ensure that we promote the development of the insurance sector. We understand that the insurance uptake is still so low, and one of the gaps that we noticed as an authority is that maybe it's just lack of proper knowledge and awareness around insurance. So we hope that by the end of this program in KISII County, where we have met more than 320 stakeholders from different groups, we hope that they'll be able to spread the insurance knowledge even to other people. We hope that they'll be our ambassadors to ensure that people take up insurance and that Kenya shines